the heart of American manufacturing excellence. In this video, we highlight the production of the 2024 Ford Super Duty trucks in the United States. Get ready to witness the synergy of technology, skilled labor, and innovative processes as we take you on a journey through the Kentucky Truck Plant, Ohio Assembly Plant, and Sharonville Transmission Plant. Discover how these facilities play a vital role in bringing the legendary Super Duty trucks to customers across the nation. Kentucky Truck Plant. First, we visit the Kentucky Truck Plant, located in Louisville, Kentucky. This massive facility spans over millions of square feet and serves as the main production hub for the 2024 Ford Super Duty trucks. Witness the meticulous assembly process as skilled technicians and advanced robotic systems come together to build these powerhouse trucks. From the frame to the engine, every component is carefully crafted to meet Ford's rigorous quality standards. Ohio Assembly Plant. Next, we travel to the Ohio Assembly Plant in Avon Lake, Ohio, where the Super Duty's chassis is manufactured. This facility showcases the dedication and expertise of the American workforce as they meticulously construct the backbone of these robust trucks. Witness the precision welding, painting, and assembly processes that transform raw materials into the durable chassis that form the foundation of the Super Duty's strength. Sharonville Transmission Plant. Our journey continues to the Sharonville Transmission Plant in Sharonville, Ohio, where the advanced transmissions for the Super Duty trucks are produced. Experience the intricate engineering and cutting-edge technology that goes into creating these highly efficient and reliable transmissions. Skilled technicians and state-of-the-art machinery work in perfect harmony to ensure that each transmission meets the exacting standards set by Ford. In compromising quality and American pride, throughout the entire production process, one thing remains constant: a commitment to uncompromising quality and American pride. The 2024 Ford Super Duty is more than just a truck, it's a symbol of American strength and reliability. From the hard-working men and women on the assembly line to the engineers and designers who conceive these extraordinary vehicles, every aspect of the Super Duty's production is driven by a passion for excellence. Conclusion. The production of the 2024 Ford Super Duty trucks in the United States showcases the power of American manufacturing. From the Kentucky Truck Plant to the Ohio Assembly Plant and the Sharonville Transmission Plant, each facility plays a crucial role in bringing these exceptional trucks to life. Join us as we celebrate the dedication, craftsmanship, and American pride that go into building the 2024 Ford Super Duty, a true testament to the spirit of American manufacturing.
Thanks for watching. Give a like and share to your friends. See you in the next video.